Episode 335, Extra Dimensions Beyond String Theory. Why dimensions are functional layers, not hidden places. Extra dimensions are often imagined as hidden rooms, tiny curled spaces, parallel corridors. That image is wrong. The popular misunderstanding. In mainstream explanations, extra dimensions are treated as physical directions, microscopic spaces, places you could travel to. This creates confusion. What a dimension actually is: a dimension is not a location, it is a degree of freedom, a way information can vary, a rule for how states can change. Dimensions as functional layers. Extra dimensions describe additional constraints, additional variables, additional modes of organization, not extra space. Why physics needs extra dimensions? Current physics breaks because too many variables interact, forces won't unify, equations lose consistency. Extra dimensions are introduced to account for missing degree of freedom. Why string theory got partly right? String theory recognized that reality needs more structure, but it treated dimensions as geometric hiding places. The insight was correct, the interpretation was incomplete. Functional versus spatial dimensions. Spatial dimensions describe where things are. Functional dimensions describe how things behave. Physics mixes the two and gets stuck. How extra dimensions appears to us. We don't perceive extra dimensions because they are not spatial. We experience them as probability shifts, non-local effects, time distortion, coherence changes. Dimensions and scale. Different dimensions dominate at different scales. At microscopic scale, space-time dominates. At quantum scale, informational dimensions dominate. Why dimensions collapse into fewer dimensions? When constraints increase, degree of freedom reduces. Multiple dimensions compress into simpler behavior. This is why reality looks 3D plus time. Why this explains paradoxes. Quantum weirdness is dimensional mismatch. Relativity effects are dimensional scaling effects. They are not contradictions. Dimension and consciousness. Consciousness navigates multiple functional dimensions, not by traveling, by integrating information. Key insight: extra dimensions are not elsewhere. They are how reality computes. Practical clarity: when physics needs more dimensions, it is asking for more explanatory capacity, not more space. Reality is not hiding dimensions from us. We have been looking for them in the wrong way. Next, we will explore the problem of time in quantum mechanics. Why time vanishes where physics expects it most. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and follow for more aligned content. And if you're new, I would suggest please start with episode 0, the source field. Everything builds progressively step by step from there. And also please do not forget to download free books, free PDFs and free FMPs from the link in my bio. Thank you.